recording, sir? Hello? Alright, we're gonna call the police and have them come out here. What can I do for you guys?
I was going to see if you could take a camera, go in there, take pictures for me, bring it back out so I could have those pictures.
What for?
Well, you asked if you could help. I like pictures.
I could go for a cup of coffee.
Sir, I'm going to place you into custody. Now I need to see your identification card.
Wow.
Put him down. Put him down.
Violating people's Fourth Amendments.
Sir, stand still. Come on.
On a beautiful day in the land of the free, home of the brave, in Fremont, Ohio, a bank called Fremont Federal Credit Union was exercising their right to record everything and everybody they could see from a public place with multiple cameras pointed in all directions. When they discovered there were folks on those public streets who also decided to record everything they could see from public places, the people in the bank called men with guns to infringe on the rights of the folks in the street, creating a false police report in the process. Michigan Constitutional Crusader, Caveman's Cam, Let Me Audit You, and Tater Tot Press are about to get served and protected by the not-so-freedom-minded Fremont Police Department.
Hi, did you need help with something? Can we help you? What did you guys need to do? Oh, that's coming down again. So this could be around there again.
She said somebody's coming. Here comes a guy.
Yes, we're recording, sir? Hello? Alright, we're gonna call the police and have them come out here.
They're gonna call the police. Oh no. Oh no. They're calling 911. I wonder if this is an office.
What can I do for you guys?
Interesting.
You got a camera?
No?
Oh.
Why? What are you guys doing?
I was going to see if you could take a camera, go in there, take pictures for me, bring it back out so I could have those pictures.
What for?
Well, you asked if you could help. I like pictures.
Yeah, but what for?
You asked if you could help. I like pictures.
Okay.
I could go for a cup of coffee.
This is kind of odd what you guys are doing. So I'm asking, what are you doing?
These things?
Mm-hmm.
You can ask anything you want. You should have asked him what color his underwear was. that would have threw him for a loop. Oh, okay. Oh, came back, Darren. Yeah. Came back, Darren.
You can zoom in on all that.
Oh, wow, look at that.
That's goofy.
Look at that. Let me get on this side here.
Look at that.
That's
like,
insane.
That's stupid. Zoom in on all that.
Don't zoom in on
I
it.
won't. I'm just showing you that you can't.
All that financial data we could collect right there. Right there. You gotta move over this way. The blind's in your way.
Oh, yeah, but I got to do right like that.
Instead of complaining about the cameramen, the bank should be paying them a handsome consulting fee for discovering data security breaches that expose the private banking information of customers who trust this bank to secure their privacy. But they do the opposite. Now the Fremont police show up and start issuing unlawful directives.
Stop. No, he's telling you to stop.
A lawful order for what?
Keep walking. Yep, just keep walking. He does not have reasonable suspicion. He can kiss my ass. Let's go. Come on. He's running after us.
Hey, what's going on, man? Sir, please stop. Please stop. Not broken any crime. Sir, I'm going to place you into custody. Now I need to see your identification card.
Wow.
Put him down. Put him down.
Violating people's Fourth Amendments.
Sir, you're going to take orders from me. Excuse me. Send me a third unit, please. This is obstruction of official business.
Can you loosen this fucking cup? Can you loosen this?
Wow.
Sir, I'll loosen
I've been
him up in a
paid.
minute.
Jesus Christ, you're pulling
Sir,
on me.
I need to see your identification
Son of a
card.
bitch, you're pulling on me.
Keep this focused on.
No, I'm
Keep
not.
this focused
My
on.
wrist is being cut. Ow, fuck.
Stand still.
Ah, God. Jesus fucking Christ, man.
Hold on.
Ow. Oh, God. Ow, fuck. You're doing it.
Identify him.
Ow.
Keep him in custody.
What the hell are you doing, man? Torturing me like that. What the hell you are?
Take him into custody.
Well, you don't
identify
get
yourself.
sued, bro. You're getting sued. You're getting sued. I ain't going nowhere. You don't have to drag me. Don't touch me. You're gonna lose your qualified immunity right now, both of you. What the fuck are you doing, man?
Knock it off. Put your hands
Quit
behind you.
yanking on
Do
me.
not resist.
I'm not resisting. You're fucking hurting my goddamn
I
wrist.
have you in custody.
You don't have to fucking hold me like this and yank me around. What crime did I commit? You son of a bitch. Articulate a crime that I committed.
There you go, guys. Fremont
What
Police.
resist?
Violating people's Fourth Amendment and arresting them.
I have an
I
injured
asked you
shoulder.
guys to identify yourself.
For what? We didn't commit a crime. We don't have to identify
I have a
ourselves.
combat injury on my shoulder. Damn it, you're fucking ripping me up.
We didn't commit a crime.
I have a claim with the
Yes, you did. It's called
You
obstruction.
are illegally detaining me. You are breaking the law right now.
Now, I want you to notice that the Americans from the bank who were recording everything and everybody on the street in all directions are laughing at the fact that Americans recording on those streets were being cuffed and tortured for doing the same thing their bank was doing. This is a big part of what's wrong with America. Now more Fremont police troops are going to swoop in and treat this like it was some kind of bank robbery.
3 of them just pulled up here and one's right here. This is crazy. Come on.
These two need to identify themselves. They're filming. I told them to stop. They continued to walk away. I told them to stop again. I told them to identify themselves.
Where are they filming?
Film in the bank.
From public. Therefore, we haven't committed any crimes.
I've asked them to identify themselves because the bank said these are the guys that we have.
At least this
And
man
so,
knows what he's
now,
talking about, the dude in gray.
Identify themselves. They're refusing. They're just recording like they are out
On
here.
public sidewalk.
I asked
It's a
you guys
huge
who were
waste
also
of
recording to
public
identify
resources.
themselves.
So
They're refusing.
what's the bank? Why did the bank call? Just because they're recording the building?
Correct. So I come around the corner, he pointed them out. He says they're out here recording. I told him to stop. Guys, come here. Identify yourself.
All right, but you know they're allowed to record in public place.
Yes, but
And they can't. You know.
Therefore, you violated their Fourth Amendment and you need to release them right away.
We're going to deal with them. And we're going to cut these two.
okay. Deal.
You guys are free to go.
Thank you, sir. Can I get your name and badge number, sir?
Yes, Captain Conger, 662.
Thank you for knowing our rights and respecting them.
Thank you. I don't know what the situation is with him, but we'll figure it out.
Right.
Okay?
Right, I'll take that. What'd you do? Lie to him and tell him we were doing something illegal?
We have cameras.
What's your name and badge number?
Sergeant Jason Kitty, badge number 665.
Learn the law, dummy.
Sergeant, and he doesn't know.
Hey, you're supposed to be releasing them. The captain said so.
I don't give you the...
I'm just telling you. Oh, now you're violating his Fourth Amendment more. You might want to check with the captain before you go putting your fucking hands in his pockets.
This is why police don't have.
The captain
very
already
much
said
respect.
release. Why don't you get on your radio and make sure? See, he's being released. Get him back out of that goddamn car. They're letting Lemmy go now. Got six cop cars here. Freaking crazy. What's your name and badge number, sir? Thank you.
This is why they lose respect.
Why are they putting them back in the cars? What the hell?
Make sure that the guy is not leaving. Okay. Leave him here until I make a call. All right?
Why are they still in the cars?
You're transporting in a minute, sir.
What's
you want
that?
to pick up your buddy's cameras right there?
Sure.
I don't want to see those get
Why are they
stolen.
still in the cars, though? Sir? You think because you tell somebody something that it's lawful? You're incorrect if there's no crime.
Awesome.
Smile for your camera.
Illegally arrested by a Tyrant sergeant for filming in public here in Fremont, Ohio. Fremont, Ohio Police Department. Give them a call. Go live.
I am live.
Awesome. Hey guys, give the Fremont Police Department a call.
That's-
Let them know that they're arresting people on public sidewalks for recording. And
Let
saying
me
it's
audit you.
obstruction because they want to illegally detain us and take our IDs when we don't have to identify. Violation of the Fourth Amendment. Violation of the First Amendment.
Yeah.
Put me in cuffs and fucking torture me.
Yeah, this is ridiculous. The captain originally said to release you guys, so I don't know what's going on now. Oh, I think they stopped your recording. It's not counting down. They stopped it. Yeah, they stopped his recording. That's a First Amendment violation, too. They could open the window all the way so you can get some air. What do you think, officer? Could you please do that? Open the window up some more so he's get more air. He's getting really hot in there.
I'm sorry.
Thank you, sir. Much appreciated.
Do you see the sweat dripping off me?
Did they call the whole damn department out here?
I just came down here. I didn't know if they needed assistance transporting anybody.
No, they need to be releasing everybody.
Like, I'm not a part of this call. I just didn't know.
Now, the cops, realizing they made an error and violated the rights of Americans who were exercising their rights on American soil, released their victims.
Maybe the phone calls did the trick.
told that gentleman kind of what was going on. You guys violating rights, and you guys being a piece of shit tyrant. Don't need any explanation.
You guys are free to go.
I know what the fuck's going on. We're free to go.
My name's Captain Conger.
Captain, guess what?
Sure.
Incident numbers.
Yep.
I want badge numbers for every piece of shit officer here.
Okay.
And I'm going to be giving all your body cams, all your dash cams, your fucking everything about you.
Don't cuss, please. You're in
Excuse
public.
me. Who's the
understand you're
complainant?
upset.
You can't be the complainant. You want to go down that route? You're going to go after my First Amendment violation?
You guys are free to go.
I'm free to stay.
We're free to stay.
Yeah, so no, you guys.
Bye-bye, Tyrant. Kitty. 665. That's the biggest piece of crap right here. Right there, yeah.
Have a nice day.
You're live on YouTube, you piece of shit. And then these douchebags lying to the cops. They should be arrested for filing false police reports. Pieces of shit. How do your wrists look? Let me see. Let me see. Gotta document that. Oh yeah, the impression on his wrist. Both of them, damn.
You know, people mock when we call these torture cuffs, but that's exactly what they are, and that's exactly what they do. They're designed for discomfort and can leave permanent neurological damage even when they're on for just a short time.
Biggest tyrant in Fremont right there.
Thanks for showing.
Doesn't know people's constitutional rights. Learn the law, dummy.
I'll leave the link to Michigan Constitutional Crusader and the other channels in the description. If you visit them, let them know Here's the Deal sent you. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a shirt, become a channel member, but more importantly, know what your rights are and exercise those rights. This is supposed to be the land of the free. Let's at least act like we're free. I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.